Okay, for those of you that's never experienced snow in your life, right? Look at what's doing here. This is Midwest. Ooh-wee. And it's only just begun, baby. Look at that. O to the MG. Wow. And I mean, do you hear me? It's coming down. Wind, snow, and it's cold. I'm standing on my patio though. Ooh, I'm doing some Spencer bar. Yeah. Look at it, look at it, baby, baby. Y'all hear that? Ooh wee. Not only hear it. Ooh, look at that. Look at that snow blowing. I mean, you know what? Like I said, this is Midwest. Ooh wee, y'all. I seen some photos, Canada. Oh my goodness. And where's Colorado? Oh, to the MG, but Canada, I seen how they was having a snowstorm. We having one here too. Oh goodness. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, I mean, I'm just in. See, this is where I'm at right here, right? I got two pairs of pants, a jacket, some socks, my hood on my head, and I have some gloves, but my hands ain't cold just yet because I'm up here on this patio and or porch, I should say. And boy, look at it coming your way. Whoever ain't got this mess that lives in the towns and states and cities that can get it, this is coming to you, okay? If it haven't already, because sometimes it bypasses and sometimes it just hit where it want to hit. It's God's weather. Y'all look at that beauty. Look at the sky. The sky is snow up in the sky. Ooh, well, I just wanted to share this with you, Jules. Have a good day and a blessed one. It's Thankful Thursday, and be safe. It's your girl Mona, and I'm out. Scarf Lady. Peace.